Xvive sent me out a new product that I didn't even know I needed, and it's the AC58 Wireless Guitar System. It's actually really clever, and I think it's going to solve a lot of problems that you didn't even know you had. Without even taking this thing out of the box, you can tell they spent time on the packaging once again. And I think if you're going to spend time on your packaging, that means you actually care about your product, because it's an easy way to cut some corners. And here is what you get out of the box. You get a very nice case, which I'm assuming has everything inside of it. You get a product catalog, which shows a plethora of items that they sell. You get the instruction manual, and you get a warranty card. Inside the molded case, you will find Xvive's A58 Guitar Wireless System. This is Xvive's newest version of the wireless guitar system that runs on 5.8 GHz. With these, you get less than 5 milliseconds latency, and the range is up to 100 feet, but that's direct line of sight. That's still way farther than you're going to need most of the time. It works with both active and passive pickups. And you have 6 available channels, which you can scan for automatically. The system also offers True Diversity Wireless, which means it has 2 antennas and 2 receiver circuits that are constantly checking to see which one has the strongest signal. It automatically switches between the two to make sure that your signal stays strong. As far as using these units, it's simple. You plug into your electric guitar, your bass, or really anything that has a 1/4-inch jack. And then the other side, you're going to want to plug into your guitar amp, your modeling pedal, or whatever's running first on your pedal chain. This case is not only a nice way to store and protect your gear, but it's a charger. The case works much in the same way that the iPods charge in their case, or the Mic 3 charges in its case. The battery that is inside the case can hold enough juice to power up your system 2 full times or several top-ups. The case itself charges with a USB-C cable, which almost everybody's using now, and it does actually come with the cable, but if you happen to need a longer one or you forget one, you know somebody's got you covered. One thing I will say that the difference is between, say, an AirPod case or the Mic 3 is those are magnetic, so they're really easy to pull out. This snaps in via USB-C, which if you use a regular USB-C cable, you know it snaps in and it kind of locks, so it takes a little bit of effort to pull it out, but at least you know it's secure. You also don't need to guess how much charge your case has or how much charge the units inside have. It has an indicator. You press a button and woohoo, look at that, lights up. Each LED corresponds with a percentage. So you're gonna go with 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, obviously, because that's the last one. Now that you know all about the wireless system and the awesome case, let's plug it in and test it out. Just kidding, I'm not gonna play it in here. Let's go to the stage. So we're gonna do like we did last time, and I'm gonna take it to an open mic and try it out here. We have plenty of juice, so now I just need to scan for an open signal. All we do is hold down this button and it'll do the rest for you. Looks like lucky number 1 was the winner. So you just grab your transmitter, and this one, you just press the side button until you get to 1. And since I was on 2, I'll just need to go through, and there we go. And you'll see the light came on and we are synced. So first in their chain is a tuner pedal. So I'll just need to plug that into here and then take the transmitter and plug it into the house guitar. Now a quick test, and the tuner is showing signal, so it's working great. All right, let's give it a little test. Well, it's working. Let's try it distorted. Now let's walk off the stage a little bit, see some distance. All right, let's try it out with a band. Well, there you have it. It works. And really, at the end of the day, that's what you want out of your gear. The 5.8 GHz system gives you a stronger and a cleaner signal. The range and the low latency on this unit are excellent. And with the addition of this case, you can make sure that your gear is safe. I think this is a total home run for Xvive. It's compact, it's reliable, it's easy to use, and it's budget friendly. What more can you ask for? If you'd like to pick one of these up, as soon as it releases to the public, I will be putting links below in the description. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I'll see you at the next gig.